Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to install MySQL Workbench in your local system. So what is the first step you want to do is go to this website www.mysql.com. In that, you can able to find mysql.com downloads, documentation and developer zone tabs. Now go to the download section. Now in the download section, you can able to see scroll down, you able to see MySQL community downloads, the GPL. After selecting this link, okay, I'm just refreshing it. Yeah, after selecting that link, I'm able to get MySQL installer for Windows. Now I'm able to get Windows 86 32-bit and Windows 86 one more thing. So always go with this 331 MB of big size because it will work on all the Windows and it is the perfect version. So just give this download button. So once you enable this download button, it is asking for logging in and sign up. Don't give anything. Just give no thanks. Just start with my download. So after enabling this, automatically it will start downloading. Yeah, I hope you're able to see it's downloading here. It's 331 MB. Wait for a few minutes. Hello guys. Okay. After the download, you're able to get in your downloads. So I'm getting my MySQL installer community. That just double tap it. Okay. So now it is installing. Just give yes. Again, I'm giving yes. So now my MySQL installer is getting updated here. Yeah. Now we want to set up our workbench. So for our don't give server only, we want to go for a custom setup. Just give next. And in that we want three things. In go to MySQL server, again click this plus button. Now I want the server first to execute my queries. Again, in go to the application. Inside the application, I want workbench to execute all the kind of database things. Again, I want shell. Just give the plus button again. Expand this. Select the shell also and move it to the right. So every time what I'm doing is I'm just expanding it and I'm selecting the latest one and I'm moving it to the right side, just giving this green button. Okay, this right arrow. I'm giving next. I'm giving execute. So for that I'm just giving this. I hope you're able to see it is executing. Once after giving the execute button, just wait for a few minutes. It is executing everything. So I'm agreeing this. Just give install. So I'm just after installing that, I'm just giving next step. And again, I'm giving execute. So it is executing one by one. Now server is completed. Workbench is almost going to complete. Then it is MySQL shell alone. Okay. Yeah. Now MySQL shell is running. It's installing. I hope so. 50% is completed. So now I hit done. Again, I'm opening this. I'm just giving next. I'm opening the MySQL installer. Once everything is done, it will come to this page. So just don't do anything. Give next. Again, use the strong password encryption. Give next. So you can use what password you want. You can use any password. So right now I'm giving admin at 123. So in the repeat password also you can give the same, admin at 123. So then give next, then give next. So next and execute. Don't do anything, just follow everything next, and just enter what password you want. Right now I have given admin at 123. So I can use the same password when I'm opening up anything. Okay. So I have finished and then I'm giving next, finish. So now MySQL is successfully installed. So to check this, it will welcome you to the MySQL. You can able to see the local instance. If you want to create a new instance, just give this plus button. So let's say I'm going to use MySQL practice. So in this, if I give OK, now new instance is created. If you want to get into it, just double tap it, double click, and it asking for the password. I'm going to give admin at 123. So it is directing me into the MySQL Workbench. Here I can practice all my queries. I can use all the data. So everything can be done here. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you understood how to install MySQL Workbench into your local system. Thanks everyone.